Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings and let's scroll in order to find connection and sharing. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. And if you already click on Reset Settings, if you've got a password, PIN or pattern, then simply enter it to confirm. Click on Next. Click on OK. And this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.